Today, I'll show you how to add payment terms in Xero. Setting this up properly makes it clear to your customers when payment is due, and it helps you keep your cash flow predictable and organized. We'll walk through each screen together so you know exactly where to click and what everything means. By the end, you'll have your default payment terms saved and ready to go on your invoices. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. You'll need to have access to the organization where you want to change the settings, so make sure you're in the right company once you're logged in. From the main Xero dashboard, look towards the top of the page for the main navigation menu. I'm going to walk you through how to find the settings from here. Find the option labeled Accounting along the top menu bar. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This menu is where most of your core financial tools live, including the settings we need. After you click Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. In that list, look for Advanced or directly for Accounting Settings, depending on how your version of Xero is laid out. For this guide, click Accounting Settings. This area controls how your accounting features behave behind the scenes, including invoice defaults and payment terms. Once you're on the Accounting Settings page, look for the section related to sales or invoicing. I'll show you the easiest way to get there. Find and click on Invoice Settings. This is where Xero stores all the options that affect how your invoices look and how they behave, such as branding themes, default messages, and of course, payment terms. After you've clicked into Invoice Settings, you'll see different sections or tabs. You're interested in the one that controls the overall behavior of your invoices. In this case, click on Default Settings. Think of this as the master template that Xero uses when creating new invoices, so anything you set here will automatically apply, saving you time and keeping everything consistent. On the Default Settings page, look for the area that mentions payment terms or due dates. This is where you'll add your payment terms. You might see options like due in X days, due on receipt, or specific date-based rules. Here, enter the payment terms that match your business policy. For example, you might choose due in 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days from the invoice date. Choose something realistic that you can manage and that works for your customers. If you're not sure, a common choice for many small businesses is 14 or 30 days. As you set your terms, think about how they'll affect your cash flow and your customer relationships. Stricter terms like 7 days get you paid faster, but longer terms like 30 days might be more comfortable for your clients. You can always come back and adjust this later if your needs change. Once you've entered the payment terms the way you want them, it's important to save your changes. Look towards the bottom or top of the page for the Save button. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Xero will update your default invoice settings so that any new invoices you create will automatically use these payment terms. And that's it. In this video, you'll learn how to add payment terms in Xero so your invoices are clearer, more professional, and easier to manage going forward.